big congratulations. You've either clicked on one of our ads to register for one of our free events all around the world, or you're actually looking at signing up and you just want to know how the sign up process works. So what we've decided to do in 2025, we used to charge in excess of $200 to attend one of our events. We've decided to make our events completely free of charge. All you need to do though to access our free events, you need to be a member of our school community, as you can see here, and it's school.com/pro player pathway, and I'll just put it on the link above for you. Now, all you need to do is to get registered for one of our free events. When you join our school community, there is a small charge of $37 a month. And once you're in the school community, you can then actually sign up for the free events. Now, one of the big questions that we always get is, do we need to be registered on the community forever? No, you don't have to, guys. Look, I'm going to tell you, you can subscribe to our community for a minimum of 1 month, and then you can unsubscribe. Once you've got access inside the school community, you can then actually just register for your free event, and then you could unsubscribe from the community and you're allowed to still come along to the free event. So basically, for $37, get yourself registered, and I'm going to walk you through how we do that. So once you've got yourself registered, you're going to click on join, $37 a month. I'm going to log in obviously with my login details. And once you are logged in, your screen or the app on your phone will look a little bit like this. So there's a couple of ways you can do it. You can download the school app, school.com, okay? And then once you've downloaded the app, pop in your username and password. Now, to get registered, and I'm just going to walk through quickly, you've got your community page where you can ask questions around football development and anything you want to ask. Also, what we've got is as well is our actual classroom, and this is where you can sign up for the free event. So all you need to do is to sign up for the free event is click on free event. Now you'll notice we've got a heap of events locked in already for the year. So let's say, for example, you're going to be coming along to our North Carolina event. Click on North Carolina, okay? Once you've clicked on North Carolina, scroll down. All you need to do is hit that link. It will then take you to a type form, and then hit the register now. And then once you hit the register now, it's going to ask you a heap of questions, okay? I think there's around about 10 questions. Then you need to remember to hit submit. Once you've done that, guys, you are actually registered for our free event. You can then unsubscribe if you wish to from the community. But if you don't wish to and you want to stay in, it's only going to cost you $37 a month to stay in on the school community, and there's a heap of benefits. Now, if you don't want to know any more about the school community, you just want to get registered for the free event, off you go and do that. Anyone who wants to know a little bit more about the school community, I'm going to spend 2 to 3 minutes just showcasing a little bit about the community and what's in there. I'm going to do a very quick run through. So if we go back up to classroom, okay, you'll notice along the top we've got calendar, members, and leaderboards and about. So the about screen, self-explanatory. It gives you that same information screen. Also, leaderboards. We actually have leaderboards for players and families and mums and dads and coaches. Now, one of the big questions we get, is this school community just for football players? No, it's for coaches. It's for technical directors. It's for mums and dads who want to learn. There's a heap of content in here. Now, we have prize giveaways. We give away Premier League jerseys, retro football jerseys. There's heaps of giveaways that we'll give away throughout the year. Also, if you want to reach out to some fellow members, guys, within this community, as long as everyone's respectful and we're not putting any bad or derogatory comments in there, you will never get banned, and you'll be able to communicate with all the other members, mums and dads and players on there. Also, we have our calendar. So if you want to have a quick look at some of the events that we've got coming up, all you need to do is hover over one and it'll give you a little bit more information. Now, being a member of our community is the bonus, because not only do you get access to us at live events when we travel the globe, but we're just filling our calendar with live online events as well. And guess who can access these for free? You guessed it. Anyone in our school community. Guys, for anyone who doesn't know me, my name's Raymond Wood. I'm one of the highest qualified football coaches on the planet under UEFA. and I'm also a UEFA player agent. Now, if you need anything around player representation, how to make it as a pro, anything like that, what you can do is in this community is drop it within the community and put a chat in for me and say, Ray, how can you represent me as an agent? How can I make it as a professional football player? And we will build you a program within inside the community. It is the world's best football community, and we look forward to having you in with us. Now, we're going to get to the classroom, and this is some of the reasons why the benefits outweigh the $37 a month. So we've already ascertained you get the free Pro Player Pathway event. Also, if you join this community, you get access to my Pro Player Pathway book, and we've got it as an ebook, and it's completely free of charge. You can click on the PDF, and once you click on the PDF, it'll load up for you. And my book and my autobiography, which basically teaches you how to make it as a professional, is in there completely free of charge. Now, this book normally, guys, sells for $57, and we've put it inside the school community. Also, some of the other things that you'll notice in here as well, we've got something called the Football Blueprint. The Football Blueprint is a $20,000 program. It's aimed for players aged 5 to 23. And again, it's got a PDF document in here that you can download. All the information is in there. It gives you all the QR codes on how to do the skills and tricks and everything we want you to learn. But if you don't want to look in the PDF, we've even put all of the videos within the school community for you, and you can just click straight in and it will take you straight into that link. Okay, also when you go back into the classroom, we've also got football mental strength training program. Again, this is another $20,000 course. This is aimed at players, it's aimed at coaches, technical directors, and mums and dads. Mental toughness, mental strength, it's really paramount in the world today, and we really want to help you with this. So this is an amazing course. Again, how much does it cost you? Nothing, guys. It's free in the school community. Also, a couple of the other ones for our budding coaches out there. We've got the dugout. So let's say you're a coach and you're a little bit late to your session. If you've got this community app on your phone, you can load it up and you can go, okay, what am I going to work on today? I'm going to work on set pieces. We've been having issues with corner kicks, hit corner kicks. It will then take you to a strategy. You can watch the video. It teaches you how to coach it. And in the next couple of weeks, we're going to have downloadable PDFs in there as well, guys. So if you want to, you can print the PDF off and take it to training with you. One of our other amazing programs that we've got in here is our match objectives, but that's for our full-time program players. So we have a level above the community, which we've got all the information in, and I'll share that with you in a moment. Also, we have giveaways every 3 months, 6 months, and 9 months. So once you've been with us for 3 months, you'll get access to one of our first giveaways, and we actually give you access to some Premier League match day programs as a thank you. This is worth in excess of $100. Again, what does it cost you? $0, guys. It's completely free once you've been with us in the subscription for 3 months or longer to trigger that one. Also, my podcasts, anyone who's seen my podcast, you'll be aware of some of the podcasts and people I've had on, but you can actually watch any of my podcasts for free. As an example, Mark Palios is the ex-chief executive of the English Football Association, and he was the guy who was behind the teams that had things like Beckham, Steven Gerrard, Frank Lampard, John Terry. So you'll notice on some of the podcasts, also I've had Joe Foster. He's actually the founder and owner of Reebok. So anyone who knows what Reebok is, it's one of the biggest sport and athletic companies for running shoes and tracksuits and clothes in general. Also, just some of the other couple of benefits are coming in. Once you've been with me for 12 months on the subscription, you can trigger player representation. What does that mean? Well, in a nutshell, I'm a UEFA player agent, and I would represent you as your agent. I could help you with sponsorship deals, getting trials, getting into the UK or Europe to go and play professional football. Also, we've got another heap of bits and bobs in here. We've got our testimonials. We've also got, which is a great one. Now, normally this is part of our full-time program. This is our pro group Zoom meetings, but we've decided to give this away for free for the first 12 months. Now, on here, We have 1 hour meetings with some of the world's experts in the game. And you'll notice as I'm clicking through, we've done them at Barcelona. We've done it for people on how to get trials. We've had ex-Matildas coaches on. And again, this is all completely free inside the app for the next 12 months. Also, there's a couple of other areas in here I'm just going to finish off on. We've got things like GPS trackers and DNA testing. So everyone, if you are now wondering whether it's worthwhile to join our school community for 1 month and to learn a little bit more about it, then I think you'll just see there's probably $55,000 worth of information, programs, and also you get access to a UEFA Player Agent, Raymond's Wood, and also you're going to get access to trials to the UK and Europe if you wish to do so. And also the reason you came here originally was to find out how to register for a free event. This means that you can also register for any of our free live in-person events, and also you get access to our live online events. And again, guys, all completely free of charge inside the community. The cost of the community, guys, again, it's $37. Sign up, guys. What have you got to lose? Sign up for 1 month. If it's not for you, you can just unsubscribe, and then you still get access to the free event that you've registered for. I hope that explains everything, guys. If you've got any questions, drop it in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you all inside the best football community on the planet, the Pro Player Pathway.